Hello everyone, I hope everybody's doing fantastic. So today we're looking at this game-changing adapter for Sony users and DJI Mic 2 users. This adapter cuts out that cord that sends the signal from the receiver of DJI 2 to your camera, and it simply helps to direct the signal digitally with using the Sony multi-interface shoe. Let's actually go outside. I'm going to show you everything I know about this device and tell you all about the good, the bad, and the ugly of this device. Maybe it's going to work for you, maybe not, but hopefully I can help you clarify that in this video. We have our Sony FX3, which you have a multi-interface shoe. Majority of people have no idea what the multi, like I guess they call them cold shoe, but there's a difference between cold shoe and hot shoe. Hot shoe is the one that has connectors. There's a lot of little pins that talk to whichever device you plug on top of this FX3 or any other Sony cameras, because there's plenty of Sony cameras that does that. So then you have like microphones like this microphone, which is absolutely fantastic mic, and when you slide this microphone into this camera, you don't have to have any kind of cords. It just simply communicates via those connectors. When you do have devices with these kind of connectors, please be careful, because the moment you damage them, you can lose the quality or completely break the device. This little bag, which I think is absolutely fantastic, because you can store the DJI mic system in here. I don't know if you can see it. There's a couple things. First one is the dead cats for the microphones, and I keep both of them in one little case divider. There's 3 of them in the middle. On the other side, I do have 3.5mm jack with the receiver being connected to the camera using 3.5mm jack. Has some issues because, first of all, you have doors open, you have some stuff dangling on the side, you can accidentally yank it out, and that's going to be an issue. With the option of hot shoe, DJI came up with this super cool device, and that is this adapter, which when you take it off, it has those pins, and those pins are the ones that are going to be talking to the camera. So how it works is you open this thing up and you have connectors where you take out your receiver, take off this little pin in the back. You just simply take it off, slide it off. You slide the receiver on top of this adapter, take off this rubber band, and slide this piece onto your camera like so. And now it communicates with the camera, and you don't have any kind of interference. You have a digital connection between the camera and receiver. It is neat, it is good, but there's a couple of things that it would be absolutely fantastic if DJI updated software or added something. I'm pretty sure that can be done in the software. Whenever you shut off the camera, previously you shut off the camera and receiver will shut down as well, because it's connected via that cord. For some reason, using this adapter, it will not automatically shut off, so you literally have to just simply press this button right here, the power button, hold it, and it actually shuts off the receiver. And transmitters, you have to just slap them in the either case or just shut them off manually. Another negative about this, previously having the receiver connected, I can just rotate them on a cold shoe. I can turn them around, and let's say if I'm vlogging and I want to see the levels on top of the camera, I can actually do so. So I can rotate it this way and just slide the using that cold shoe. With this one, hot shoe, there's no other option but to have this receiver pointing other direction. So it's not a big deal, but it definitely would have been awesome if that piece, the adapter, could have rotated. Maybe just have like a couple of stops, like those ND filters that you have, like just you can feel these like tension, the stops. So the same thing, it would be awesome if we kind of like rotate it to the side, rotate it to the front. That would be super helpful. Otherwise, I think this is such a great device that will help a lot of creators to have a clean audio. No matter how you twist it, I still have the cord with me just in case. If this device is not working, I can absolutely connect it with the 3.5mm jack and it should be fine. But this is a very neat device. It creates such a clean look to the camera, no cords dangling, that's another headache for a lot of folks. They have too many cords in their bag, and this actually prevents from having so many cords. Obviously, have those cords just as a backup because you never know what might happen. I'm gonna link that device down in the description below. If you guys want to check it out, please do so. Those affiliate links, you don't pay anything, but it helps out a lot for creators like myself. And yeah, if you have questions about this device, please don't hesitate to ask. I'm more than happy to review some other products that would save me some time and hopefully save you guys some time. Hope you really like this video. If you did, please slap the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. It costs nothing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.